Shout out to the real that got up, got it out the mud. We started off at nothing, now we the same ones that run it up. They hate on.
Well, 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. I make those.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us know. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more.
Back, got the car all matted up, as you can see. Took 2 boxes, but it's gonna help out with the music, cold AC, and any other road tire sounds or road noise. You know what I'm saying? That's where we at. Got the door all sanded down. It's ready for covering now. This door done. Just gotta build that door. This side is completed, fiberglass pod, but I just gotta do this side. Once I get all the doors and the rear pods done, then I'm gonna go ahead and lay the carpet. And from the carpet, I'll start putting the seats and putting it all back together. Every build we put the mat in. If I'm doing a full complete, I'm ripping everything out. A lot of times, like on this car, it had a few holes to where it was drilled in with moisture would have came through. So all spots are covered up, all holes are covered and caught. It's getting there. Some action. Give me some action. Let me see what we're working with.
That's all I got to do right now.
Oh yeah.
Still pulling up, showing love to all the real. Still numb to how I hate or feel, cause they just wanna.